So welcome guys to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to tell you how to design a vacation. I'm going to teach you how to design a vacation flyer. So I've opened Coreldraw. I have it opened down already on my system. I have all the materials I want to use. I'm going to show you the pictures. I have the text already in my Coreldraw. So let me just show you the pictures I have. I've saved it in a folder. So these are the pictures I'm using. These are the pictures I'm using for the designs. These 4 pictures, vacation pictures. So I'm going to import them now. As you can see, I'm importing them into the Coredraw. I'm going to import them now. So let's get started. If you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please just do that now. So this picture is the main picture I'm using for the background. This one I'm showing you, this one I'm dragging, is what I'm using for the background. So you can see I have all other right up on the screen. Tutorial easy and fast, so we can learn very fast. So now this is the background I'm using. So what I want to do now, I want to blend it with a black touch of black below it. So I'm taking the square box over there. I'm taking the square box. I'm going to give it a black color. Because I want the below it to have touch of a black fountain. Now I'm using the transparency tool. As you can see, I'm trying to blend the black with the background. I'm using the transparency tools. If you check beside your tools, you see there. I'm trying to blend it with the background to make it blend up with the background. Now you can see it has blended. So the next thing now is to pick other pictures I want to use. So the concept is more of a circle kind of concept. So I'm using a circle rather, sorry. I'm placing the pictures inside a circle. I'm giving it outline. Maybe let me add to the outline one more time. Maybe 3 or 4. 3 or 4, 8. Okay, 8 is not bad. 8 is not bad. So I'm going to put the pictures in the circle. Power click inside container, you can see. So I want to make sure it's perfect. Adjust it properly. I want to make sure it's perfect. I want to adjust it properly. Okay. Just stay with me. If you have not subscribed, please just click on the subscribe button. Now I'm going to change good. So just stay with me. I'm trying to adjust it properly. Change the outline to yellow. That's the concept. Change the outline to yellow. Now I'm going to pick the second rectangle, the second circle I'm using, but that one won't be in the round. I want it in the not purely round circle. So I'm going to put in the second picture. Power click inside container. That's the second picture I'm using for the design. Let me just arrange it properly. Just follow me. I'm trying to make sure that all the pictures entered. There is no space in between. I'm trying to perfect it. Just stay with me. I'm trying to perfect it. There's still a space behind, so let me just increase it a bit. There's a space behind. Let me increase it a bit. Okay. As you can see now, there's no more space beside both, so it's okay now. Let me take it up a bit. Good. Now it's okay. So I'm going to give it outline, but for this one, I'm going to give it a line. Good, I've removed the outline. What I have in mind for this second circle is not a normal outline. I want to give it a kind of a dot outline. I don't know what to call it, but I'm going to show you. So let me arrange the second picture before I change the outline properly. Let me arrange it properly. Don't forget to click on the notification button. So now I've inserted the 3 pictures. So now I want to change the outline I have here. I don't want to use the normal outline I use for the yellow one for the 2 below pictures. So let's go to outline. I'm going to take off the white outline later. So let me just use this one to get the outer outline I want to get. None. Okay, so let's go to outline. Why I'm duplicating this because I don't want the outline to be on the border. I want to have a separate outline aside from the border. That's why I duplicate the pictures. So now let's get a separate outline. You see what I'm talking about? I'm trying to get it. Okay, no. So now look at, we have options here for the outline. I don't like this one. This is not what I wanted. I don't like this one. So let me try another one. You can see under style we have different outline. Like this is it. This is what I wanted. So now I'm going to remove the previous one below it because I don't want two outline on one picture. So I'm going to remove the previous one. What I want to stick with is the one with dot outline. Yeah, that one. It's still, let me just take that one out so I can remove it properly. It's page down. Let me move it properly. Okay, no, still that's not the one I want to remove. Just wait. Okay. Let me zoom it out so I can see properly. I want to remove this one. I want to remove it. That's not what I'm using. Good. So now let me perfect this one with the image now. Can you see what I'm talking about? I don't want the outline to be with the image itself. I want the outline to be outside. So that is it for that one. I'm going to replicate it with this one too. Yeah. So I've already moved the outline for this one just to centralize it with the picture. That is it. Then I page up the big one. The big one. That's it. So I will arrange it properly so it will look nice. These are the three. I'm adjusting the pictures. I want the shape to be kind of funny. So these are the three pictures I'm using up there for the vacation pictures. I'm trying to amend it and align it. Alignment is very important when it comes to design. You have to make sure that it's perfectly done. So the next thing I want to do right now is to pick our square, where I'm going to arrange the text and other informations. The square, I'm going to give it the color a navy blue, but not 100% navy. I want it to be more darker, so I'm going to go into the fountain. You hold down your mouse to see these options. You hold down your left click mouse, you hold it down to bring out more options to see colors. So when you hold it down, it's going to bring out more colors. Then you can pick the one you want. This is what I wanted. This is the color I wanted. So now I'm going to page the images up so the background can go down, so the square can go down. Then I arrange my text to it. So I'm paging it up right now. As you can see, page up is shift page up, or if you want to use the shortcut, you go to your objects, order, then you come to front to page. The pictures will go up. That's how to page up. Shift page up on your keyboard, you hold down your shift and click page up, or you go to order. So the second thing, now let's start the arrangement of the text. I want to change the font. This is the font I'm using. That's the font I'm using. I can't even pronounce the name. Sounds so funny. Okay. That's the font I'm using, guys. So let me centralize it and change the color. No, yeah, that's it. Let me centralize. I'm using light, warm. How will I say? Warm yellow with a deep yellow. These are the major colors I'm using. So I have the text typed down already. As you can see, I just want to arrange them in the design so you guys can see. I have them typed down already. I just want to arrange them for you guys to see. For this aeroplane, it's just an image I cropped out. I crop it out from an image so it can really pass the idea of traveling. There have to be a symbol of something that communicates what you're doing. So 3 days in Ginger, the aeroplane is just to symbolize that it's a traveling trip. I picked that image up from an internet. So now let me just arrange it properly so they can align together with each other. You get. If you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please kindly subscribe. Click on the notification button to enjoy more of my videos. So as you can see, I'm trying to change the color to white so everything will look cool, not just warm yellow. Yeah. So that's about that. Let me take it down a bit. It's too clumsy, and reduce it small. Yes. So that's it. I'll reduce it small a bit. So let me take the fee, $2,000. I'm going to align that also with the design and reduce it to fit in. I'm going to reduce it to fit in. Just stay with me. It's not really hard. It's just a simple, just a simple steps. Just understand the arrangement and how it works. So you can also try this yourself at home on your system. It's very easy. Very simple design, but it makes sense. So now I've aligned them. Let me just centralize them and perfect it properly. So it won't look clumsy. Let me perfect it properly so they can align. Centralize. Centralize Control C to centralize. Control C. Let me group it. So now below it I'm using a square. I'm going to give it a yellow color where I'm going to put the website, the main caption information, because if you want to register you have to go through their website, so it needs to be well projected. So I'm using yellow color. Below it I'm going to put the website. I have it typed down already, so I'm going to insert it in. I have it typed down already. No, let me use white for this one. Let me use white. Good. Let me use white. So let me pick the website where I typed it down. It's on the screen. I'm going to insert the website below. Everything is aligned. I just want to confirm if everything is aligned. Everything is aligned. So let me just pick the website below where I have it. Just stay with me, guys. So I'm going to put the website below it now and perfect it. Centralize it rather. So I'm going to centralize the website. Good. I'm going to centralize it. You can see centralized. That's the website. I'm still going to arrange it properly. Alignment is very important. If it's not well aligned, it shouldn't make it look nice. So, and again, I don't want to be too clumsy. Let me put their logo at the top. I'll need to reduce the circle because it's almost close to the logo and it's competing with the logo. So you have to look out for that also. So I'm going to reduce the big circle, take it down a bit. I'm going to take it down a bit. So it won't be competing with the logo. You see what I'm talking about? We're almost done. So let me pick the two side information we have. We have the contact and we have the packages. So these two are going to be beside each of the designs. You can see WhatsApp only book now. So let me pick the other one and align them together. Very important. We're almost done. If you are not subscribing, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Click the notification button to see more of my designs. So I just aligned the two side information. See what we have, guys. Simple and nice. You can also try this at home. Just follow the guidelines. If you have any question you want to ask me, please don't hesitate. Just drop down your question on the notification button. I'm going to answer to your questions. It's very simple. The background with the picture we use and the arrangement is very simple. Thank you guys for watching my video. I really appreciate it. Please subscribe.